You guys aren't gonna believe what I did yesterday. I can't believe what I did yesterday. Call it what you may. A moment of insanity, boredom, getting a little anxious. I don't know. I don't know what got into me. I was watching the news and I think I watched it for too long, and it was doom and gloom. And as I sat looking around my house, I thought to myself, are the walls closing in on me? Everything just looked cluttered to me. Again, I don't know if it was the news and I was just feeling anxious. I don't know. It was like something snapped in my head. And I thought, I've got to fix this. I'm going to do it. That's it. Everything has to change. Look what I did. Look what I did. I tore apart my entire dining room. Look at, remember the florals I did in the ladder? They're on the floor. Why did I do that? Nobody knows. We can only speculate. Was it the news that triggered me or something else? I don't know. I don't know. But look, the dining room set is gone. It's gone, peeps. It's gone. Where did I put it? You'll have to find out. Does that set look familiar? If you can see through all the clutter, that's my kitchen dining room set. Oh yeah, we're making changes around here, peeps. We're taking all the clutter down. Many of you have made comments. How do you dust that whole house? How do you dust all the knickknacks? Well, since the whole fam has been home for quite some time now, I feel like I'm dusting several times a day and vacuuming my floors twice a day. It's insane. And I thought, we can't have this. We can't. I am going minimalistic. This is no April Fool's jokes, peeps. I smile, and you may be saying, oh, she's just joking. Certainly, this is an April Fool's joke. No, it's not. It's not. Let's put my words into action. See this decor here? It's coming down. One down, another to go. I love this piece. I'm gonna find another place for it somewhere in the house. Now that all the stuff is off the wall, I feel like I can breathe. I'm gonna leave it blank. Now I'm going to move that mirror. Now I'm moving this piece of furniture onto one of the walls. All right, guys, look what I did. I moved the Ashley Furniture white Farmhouse chippy cabinet right there. This Farmhouse barn light was above my mirror that I moved over here on the other wall. And you guys may be saying, why did you move your dining room set out of this room? I'll tell you why. When I came in here yesterday, this room is rather dark, and all of these dark pieces of furniture, it just looked depressing in here to me yesterday. And like I said, I just flipped my switch and I said, I'm moving it out. So while my husband was on a teleconference, I ran and got my daughter and I said, hurry, we've got probably 30 minutes to move the sets into different rooms. So I went and vacuumed all the floors in the other room and we moved the other set. It was hilarious because when my husband came out of his meeting, he walked out of his office and he was like, what did you do? And then he called me by my real name and I'm like, oh boy, I'm in trouble. He said, he wasn't mad at me. He was like, how did you move that heavy piece into the other room? I said, Superwoman, baby. Back to work. Let's jazz this section up. I'm not gonna leave it blank. We all know that. So I wanna see how these look, because I still wanna keep the barn light. Going to hang my other wreath. pretty. Now what should I do? All right, I have this huge tray. I'm just playing. Sometimes you gotta play and you may like it, you may not. I don't know. I won't know till I try, but I'm thinking I wanna put it here, like, you know, just to add a little texture. Got a bunch of white open space, and I don't know. Oh yeah, that's what I was gonna tell you. I ordered some lamps yesterday because I robbed Peter to pay Paul, and I took some lamps out of here and I put them in the other room. Wait till you see what I did yesterday. You guys are gonna die. But anyway, I stole lamps from here and put them in another room. And I went down to my store and I did not like my lamps down there for this room. So I ordered some on Amazon. I'll try to put a picture right here of what I've ordered because I love them. And until I get them, you never know with Amazon when the shipment is gonna get here because of what's going on. So until they get here, I'm probably just gonna do this for now. But anyway, you guys saw these candles. I got these at my consignment store. And then I got this little olive tree and I'm gonna put it on top to add height. And I'm just gonna set it right here beside the little arched wood gate. And I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. Now, of course, I've got to add a little ambiance. So I've got this cute little lamp I got at that consignment store, the copper cricket, and I'm just gonna set it there. Now, let me see what else I can get my hands on. All right, again, I am just playing, but what I did was I brought in this sweet tea sign that I purchased from Hobby Lobby last year. I put a little nail right there and then I just hung it on that nail, and I think it looks really cute. Now, I also brought in this so I can show you. I brought in this white cake stand from Hobby Lobby, and I'm just gonna place it right here. I've got a little candle pedestal. I'm just gonna sit right there. I'm putting a little plant on top. And this one I'm just gonna sit kind of off to the side because I want it to look sort of garden-esque. Now, before all this craziness happened, I found this at the Copper Cricket, my favorite consignment store. When I saw this, I scooped him up as fast as I could. And anyway, I think this rooster will go perfect right here. But we need to dress him up a little. So I have this little garland from Hobby Lobby, and I'm just gonna probably put this around the rooster. Just to add a little texture. Now, to tie a little bit of yellow in, I have a few of these little yellow Hobby Lobby stems, and I thought I might just stick them into the garland. So that's all I had in my stash left. Now I've got this apothecary jar with some lemons in it. I mean, how fitting. And where shall I put it? Maybe I'll scoot that over and squeeze this in just right here. What do you guys think? So I've showed you these before. I got these at my little consignment store, and I just took a few of them. I don't know if I'll be able to show you. But right here, I just kind of draped them down. And when I step back, it looks cute. It may look a little funny right now, but when I step back, you'll see what I'm talking about. But I'm thinking about adding one behind this right here. I don't know, just to add a little more texture. I sure wish I had a few lemons just to place down below. So right there, I added some terracotta pots with a little garden ball right there, and 2 little pots, one tipped on the side with some lemons and some of the lemons spilling out. And I think that will complete my little vignette here. So much for going minimalistic. Hey, but the rest of the room will be. Trust me, when I say this is gonna be my focal point, this and the table, I'm probably gonna take that away over there. And wow, that's simple over there. So you'll see when I get this all done. It's gonna wrap up my video today. I have so much to do, you have no idea. So anyway, you'll have to come back and see me on Friday to see the finished look and maybe a sneak peek of what I've done in 2 other rooms. I'm telling you, I literally tore apart 3 rooms yesterday, moved the furniture around. It looks so much better, so much better. The whole family is loving it. So I encourage you guys, if you're getting bored and squirrely and anxious, do something in your house to keep your mind busy, because it's fun. It's fun. What can I say? Just a little heads up, my dining room set that was in this room is not where you think it's going to be. So that will be something fun for you guys to see coming up. So have a great one today, guys. I love you. I hope you all are doing well. Stay safe and healthy, and I will see you on Friday.